setup. I'm grabbing a tripod, and this is day 2 of working on the camp axe. So I have the forge lit, it's getting up to temperature, and I will let you guys know later when we start getting work done. Okay, forge is heating up nicely. We're going to take our billet. This is where it was. This is how it was when we left it 2 days ago. Last time we were filming. Squared. Has a nice hole punched through it. We're going to grab our tongs. Hopefully the lighting will capitulate. We're going to toss the billet into the hopefully getting hot forge. And that'll work. Alright, so our billet is now hot. We're going to take our drift, set it in, move it over, start striking our way through. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to make this hole bigger. The goal is that this will now make it big enough to become an axe hand, or an axe head. Okay, so I have finished drifting the hole, as you can see there. Is it in frame? Yep, cool. I have finished drifting the hole for the most part. I'll do a little bit of drifting after I make the point. So now I'm going to whack this side and make it look like an axe. So see you guys. Okay, so is that still on shot? Okay, there we are. So now I'm going to take this side of our steel. Just going to start whacking it with my hammer. And I'm going to work on both sides. Try to keep it even and square. Try to work down the entire length of the building. And yeah. We're going to use a 2-pound crossbeam hammer. My grandfather's hammer. And I inherited it. And put the on it. I'm going to blacksmith it. But I need to get more width on this. I'm going to start using my beam. I need more width in it. I'm going to paint it. Okay. I'm going to reach over here. Grab the piece. Beautiful orangey yellowish color. Okay, don't worry, I'm fine, I'm fine. My parents are just nuts. Ow. I'm alright, don't worry guys. Mom, will you watch this video? I am fine. So, I've kind of been working without filming. forgetting to push record, but this is our axe head. So yeah, pretty decent. So talk to y'all in a few then. So here we are with a mostly shaped axe head. I just got a little bit more ink to do. Trying to draw it down a little bit more, but I'm not sure I can get any further. So now, once I get it symmetrical, which I'm working on now, I'm gonna try get it looking good and symmetrical. And then I'm gonna quench it. Try this mild steel, I can dunk it just about anything. And all that'll do is pull it off. And then I'm gonna continue to work on cleaning up this piece of bearing race here. And I'm gonna forge weld this in, and it'll become our bit. That'll become the choppy part of our axe. So yeah. Okay, hopefully I'm in shot. But I have done most of the rough forging on the mild steel part of our axe head. So I have an eye, kind of. Trying to stay in shot, jeez Louise. Aye. Is that even in shot? There, that's in shot. Okay. We have a nice tapered tomahawky beard. This is dread fish lips everywhere. So I'm gonna have to grind that. I will redrift this hole after we insert our billet. So I'm gonna take an angle grinder and grind this, and this. Then I'll split it. Then I'll take this hot cut hardy chisel thingy and I'll split it open. I will dump a heck ton of borax in it. I will set our high carbon piece in there, shut it, and stick into a very, very hot forge. That's the plan. 90. So my camera died. I have just completed yet another 420 heat. I'm fluxing and then heating. And then I heat it and repeat it. Heat, beat, repeat. That's the essentials of flaxman. Ah, we're filming this time. Alright, 420 heat. I'm going to get a beautiful shot of my head. Pull out our predominantly light to medium light strips. Work on keeping it all together. So it doesn't fall out. Back in the fire. Hopefully it works. Now's the time. Whether or not my forge welds are any good. Become a real hammer. Start to warping. Like we see. Something kind of risky. I'm going to try to go ahead and heat treat it because I can't, I'm going to need to drift it one more time so I think I can't heat treat it. I'm going to drift it then heat treat it one more time. Drift it one more time then heat treat it. Got that right that time. 40. We hard. Now we're just gonna wait for temper. Basically, we're just watching to see when it turns to straw. Trying to do is called a flash temper. So yeah, see you guys later. Okay, so I made a handle off screen. So it's that broomstick that we said we'd be making the handle out of in the beginning of the video. It's a little overcharged. If you'd like to see a video about how I make a if you'd like to see a video about making one of these handles, just let us know in the comment. And then here's how the axe head currently stands. Let's see how this is looking shot. It needs a lot of grinding, and I'm not sure how the forge welds turned out. I think they stuck. So I'm gonna grind a lot. Probably won't film most of that. But then we'll be back and we'll hang our head.
So, I am really not good at forge welding.